April 26th, Pitney Bowes actually launched Commerce Cloud, which provides access of solutions, analytics, and APIs, leveraging all of Pitney Bowes' physical capabilities as well as digital capabilities. Primarily, it helps our clients to identify customers, locate opportunities, enable communications, power shipping, and manage payments, all in one comprehensive set of cloud offerings. This is a significant opportunity and a significant launch from Pitney Bowes' standpoint. It opens us to a market opportunity of $40 billion digital commerce marketplace and shipping marketplace. So we've channeled our aspirations and ambitions in creating this amazing moment. Pitney Bowes is creating an absolutely brand new category in the world of commerce. It's about new experiences, it's about new categories, it's about new ways of delivering our capabilities to our clients. We made significant advancements in location intelligence, not just to create new categories, but also advancing some of our existing categories where we have modernized, we've added a lot of things, we've advanced them. You'll experience Pitney Bowes' location intelligence capabilities in a completely new and a different way with this launch. It gives our clients an impactful new set of capabilities and impactful set of opportunities. So for example, in our geocoding, we're launching a new geo-enrichment product. What this means is a pre-packaged, pre-geocoded master location data set, which is going to provide the most accurate location data for 170 million US addresses, with hundreds of attributes together, providing highest amount of accuracies, highest amount of precision when it comes to. Let me try to bring this to life with an insurance example. So if you're an insurance company, you're really looking for pricing your policy right. If you price too high, you lose customers. If you price too low, you suffer from down the road. You also want to make sure that you target proper opportunities. High risk or low risk has a direct impact on your margins. You really need to assess a better value associated with every deal. You also want to make sure that you engage early to minimize losses or minimize any further events which are happening. So you really want to engage with your clients and engage with your prospects. And at the end, you really want to manage your exposure of your portfolio across the risk. So given these four things, think about a typical insurance company. You really want to get household data. You want to have a number of rooms in the house. What sort of roof do you have? What's the price of the property? When was it renovated? Do you have a swimming pool? There's hundreds of attributes related to property. So you want that data set. Along with that, you really want to understand, so what's the fire safety or a fire risk associated with that house? So you want to know where the fire hydrants are, where the, how far are you from a fire station? You also want to understand where the water bodies are. And things get really complex once you also have wildfires, you have earthquakes, you have all of these things associated with a particular property. What we are able to do is provide all of those things in one geo-enriched data set, which insurance company can really integrate and append their own attributes to the problem. So this is where you're able to create best of the breed products which are highly accurate, high with precision, wide variety of data sets which are present in that product. Geo Analytics, which is another category where we have made significant advancements by connecting that to sophisticated business intelligence products. We in Pitney Bowes really want our business intelligence clients to do more, visualize better, and eventually achieve more and make better and smarter decisions. So what we do is we integrate our location capabilities with world's largest BI players like SAP, Tableau, Cognos, Oracle, to name a few. And our clients use it for multiple use cases like sales territory optimization or figuring out how do they spend their marketing dollars based on territories or geography boundaries, where they need to deploy the resources, where they need to deploy their sales forces, where their current assets are. So it's a fascinating way of providing your organization data along with location data. I would say we are the platform when it comes to location and business intelligence to increase productivity, make better decisions based on your organization and our capabilities. The third one is our advancement and our big data capabilities. We are really helping telecom companies which are really struggling and are challenged to find new ways of creating coverage, capacity or quality or optimizing their operations. What we are able to do is we are doing that by conversions of mobile, so with the advancement of mobile data sets, the amount of data which mobile phones are creating are essentially passing location information back to the telecom companies on a real-time basis. You have IoT devices now, you have very sophisticated computing capabilities which are there in the industry at this point of time. So think about, what Pitney Bowes is able to do is take those billions of points, terabytes of data sets from those telecom companies and use the spatial analytics to make better decisions, almost real-time coverage maps or real-time heat maps for telecom companies to figure out how do they optimize their network, how do they serve their clients better. So again, it's just bringing in what's happening in the industry, and the big data capabilities have been really amazing when it comes to location analytics. In our GIS category, which has been one of the oldest and a very strong point about our LI business, we have MapInfo Pro Advanced version, which has new capabilities to handle complex terabytes of data with our multi-resolution raster to do very complex modeling. The use cases go from insurance to telecom to natural resources in this area, but just incredible amount of development which has happened in that space. And last but not the least, along with everything what we do is our global library of 350 geospatial data products. And this includes demographics, this includes point of interest, this includes boundary data sets, this includes telecom data sets, the insurance, name them. We have vertical data sets and we have these absolutely cutting edge new products which we have created across 240 countries and territories. That's really amazing when you put all of these pieces together. We are launching this absolutely cutting edge new category in the location intelligence space. We call them as Geo APIs. This also talks about Pitney Bowes' bigger aspirations and better goals which we have for our location intelligence business. This is also about explicit focus on mobility of experiences, of using location analytics in a completely new ways, where you can move from a headless IoT device to a mobile phone to a web browser to a desktop, or you can do a mashup of everything else. And these APIs are going to be used by either a corporate developer or an enterprise account or a consumer directly across marketplaces, across different channels which will open up with these new set of capabilities. So again, as I said, it's about really moving that experience and the capability of location intelligence, providing analytics, using our data, using our sophisticated algorithms, and really distributing these Geo APIs in a brand new way for clients to consume. Now, if you want to use it, you can go to developer.pp.com, access them, sign up. It's absolutely fascinating what you're going to see there, and it ties very well to the overall story where I started about our Commerce Cloud, which is as I said, is the most significant launch which Pitney Bowes has done in the recent history, and we are all very excited. So I guess in summary, I would say regarding the Locate launch, location data and location intelligence is the most powerful differentiator for businesses across all sizes as we, in the times where we are. This launch is very significant for us from multiple reasons. I say it's not a collection of features or products. We are really telling a complete story. It's not a checklist of things we do or features. There is a complete design thinking which has gone behind telling the entire story. And to us, it's the most practical approach to serve our clients.